Okay guys, just summing things up, keeping things short. First thing, you have to have some basic understanding on statistics. Second, some basic understanding on Python, especially some data analytics libraries like NumPy, Pandas. Third, some basic machine learning understanding. And fourth, for all practicing. The practicing is the most important step here, guys. And you can always practice www.kaggle.com. Check in the description below. I have provided all the points and they are all free of cost. You can begin it yourself and achieve it someday. Hey guys, my name is Sandesh and welcome to Tech and Science. I'm an AI developer in Cisco, and my main motto of creating this channel was giving my knowledge, my experience to all those who want to begin with this field and to prosper in AI and ML related techniques. I have been working in these technologies for the last 5 years, and I am virtually a technical guy. I began as a normal operations guy, then shifted to data engineering, followed by big data, and currently I'm working on ML and AI stuffs in Cisco WebEx. So we normally deal with a huge number of data, especially videos, audios, and a huge massive meeting log data, etc. You can check my LinkedIn profile in channel description for more information. Thanks for watching, and let's begin. Okay. So nowadays the hype for ML and AI is so high that you go for a marriage proposal, there is a chance like a girl asks you, hey, do you know ML, or just get lost. Secondly, anywhere you go, maybe YouTube or any websites, you just see ads on ML, AI, PG diploma, IT, IIMs, etc., etc., etc. So my question is it worth the hype? I can give you a complete picture on how ML and AI is used in a corporate level. We work on this day and night, but the harsh reality is ML is boring. Playing with data is boring. Whenever I meet people who work on ML or AI, they have come to this field just because of the hype and the salary it pays. But end of the day, ML and AI has their own constraints, their own problems. I'm not demotivating anyone from coming to this field. I'm just telling you the harsh reality on how the situation of ML and AI is in corporate world. Having said that, my main motto of this video is to give you information on how do you begin from ML. How do you begin from level 0 and get into intermediate level so that you can get started with some real world examples and try to understand this field. Okay, so I'm sure people who came to watch this video, they want to know how soon can I learn ML? Well, there is no answer for this question. If someone tells you, can I study an ML in 1 month? It's same as someone promising you, I'll deliver a coronavirus vaccine in just 1 month. Trust me, if someone can create a coronavirus vaccine in 1 month, you can definitely complete the ML fields, or you can the complete study of ML in just 1 month. So don't fall into hoax. Follow me across this video. I'm going to give you some genuine tips to study ML, understand this, and gear up for some real world fight. Okay, what is the prerequisite you should have to begin with ML? Is it Python, or is it what else? Yes, let me begin here. If you want to begin with ML, you should have some knowledge of statistics, guys. Trust me, coding is not at all relevant whenever you come to machine learning world. The first thing you have to know is some basic statistical stuffs. You have to know what is a standard deviation. You have to know what is a mean. You should have to know what is a quartile deviation. Only when you brush these things up, you can come into the ML world. There are a lot of people who just start learning algorithms, import a library in Python, just fit it and just predict and show, hey, I have run my first machine learning algorithm. Yes, you have done it, but is it helpful? Absolutely no. So listen to me, the first point you have to remember is just brush up a few statistics. And you guys can check the description below. I have given a free 5 to 6 pointer of how to begin with ML right from zero to an intermediate level with zero cost. And trust me, I'm doing this so that I can help those people who want to get in this field and probably they don't have any money to spend on online courses like Udemy or Coursera. So next, the second point is, yes, which programming language should I use for machine learning? Python is another big hype nowadays. And it's absolutely genuine hype because Python is a miraculous programming languages which made all those non-technical people who wanted to get into this ML field open. And just because of Python, all the people who are in electronics background or who are in business or who are not at all related to technologies are able to come into this field and start learning ML and leveraging it in their company or in their work. So the second thing is, yes guys, start learning Python and the basics is sufficient. Again, I'm reminding you, when it comes to machine learning and AI, there is very less scope for coding. There are already huge number of libraries developed by companies like Facebook and Google. Your just job is to import them and fit them. A real machine learning engineer only writes up to 5 to 10 lines of actual code to executing his program. Your first ML program will be not more than 5 to 10 lines of code. So don't prioritize on coding, concentrate on getting your statistics right. Second, start learning Python and a few basic data structures in Python. Next, Python is a very vast subject. So will you keep on exploring Python for years? No. Your main part is learn the analytics part of Python. Get started with NumPy, get started with Pandas, get started with Matplotlib. These are three most revolutionary libraries in Python which probably 99% of all the data engineers use nowadays. There is a major competition from a programming language called R and a Golang, but it's still a faraway game because Python is way ahead than all these programming languages. Check out the description or link below. There is a small, crisp and the best tutorial for Python from the Google developers who have open sourced this very recently. You can go through that link, it's completely free. You will be able to learn Python in maximum 1 week if you follow those instructions properly. Okay guys, so now you have some basic knowledge on statistics and some basic knowledge on Python. Next, your job is to get started with machine learning concepts. Again, check out the description below. I have given a free link for the machine learning tutorial from Google developers. Again, this covers all the important points you need to just begin your step in machine learning. Yes, there are a lot of options nowadays, like you pay money through Coursera or Udemy. There are a lot of options available, but I'm here specifically concentrating on how do you start from level 0 and reach up to a level of answering some interview questions or to a level of understanding where the machine learning is getting used without spending a single rupee. Okay, so next thing, get started with basic concepts of machine learning. Check out the description below. Okay, so once you go through this Google course, what next? Yes, your main motto is to get some practical knowledge. And again, you have to just go to kaggle.com and find out whatever test cases you need. Kaggle.com is a website specifically for data scientists and data engineers, which has all the live hosted competitions. And trust me guys, it has problems from a very basic E0 level to very high-end levels like natural language processing, image processing, computer vision, etc. So Kaggle is the best place where you can get some practical experiences on machine learning. So now, if you already completed with some statistics, a little bit of Python, you got a bit of hold on machine learning concepts, and next you came to Kaggle for executing some problems. What next? The next thing is, again, you have to pick up some real world cases and start working on them. the best, maybe pick up some vaccine data, or for currently there is a huge coronavirus trend here. Pick up some data from coronavirus trends. Try to get some analytics out of it and see what can you derive. You are shooting at dark, but apply your brain, apply your thoughts, and see what analytics can you derive from these real world data. So this will not only help you to brush all the things what you have learned before, this will also help you to understand, broaden your horizon. This will help you to probably get a special analytics out of the report, which probably no one would have generated. Lastly, guys, I wanted to talk something about the current scope and future scope of machine learning and AI, and how is AI and ML used in real corporate world. But this video is very long, and I wish to tell this information in my upcoming videos. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video with maximum people. This video will help you to learn machine learning from level 0 to intermediate level with zero amount of investment. All you need is a little bit of motivation and kick your ass, guys. You have to do this. No one else is going to do this for you. If you want to get a good salary, get a good stable job, and a recession proof job for now, yes, you have to kick your ass. Get started. Thanks for watching.